If you work in Microsoft Word, there's a simple trick that can make editing much easier, showing control characters. These hidden formatting marks can help you see spaces, paragraph breaks, tabs, and other formatting details so you can clean up a document faster and avoid layout problems. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn them on in Word step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the File menu in the top left corner. From there, click on Options. This opens the Word settings window where you can control a lot of display and editing preferences. Once the Word Options window appears, look at the list on the left and click Advanced. This section contains a wide range of editing and display settings, so don't worry if it looks a little busy at first. Now scroll through the advanced settings until you find the option related to showing control characters. You'll see a checkbox labeled Show Control Characters. All you need to do is check that box. Once it's enabled, Word will begin displaying those hidden formatting marks inside your document. This can be extremely useful when you're trying to see where extra spaces, line breaks, or paragraph marks are affecting your layout. After you check the box, click OK to save your changes. Now go back to your document and you should see the control characters appear right away. You may notice symbols for paragraph breaks, tabs, and spaces depending on the content in your file. If you want to turn them off later, just follow the same steps and uncheck the box in Word Options. This is especially helpful if you're editing reports, resumes, templates, or any document where formatting needs to be precise. It can also save a lot of time when something looks off but you can't figure out why. So to quickly recap, go to File, open Options, click Advanced, and then check Show Control Characters. That's all it takes. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.